Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're gonna make unagi don. So the recipe is about the unagi sauce. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So what we have here, this is frozen krill eel. So this is already cooked, and this is unagi kabayaki, and if you see over here, this is 255 grams. So for unagi sauce, we need sugar, sake, soy sauce, and mirin, and it's that simple. So for the sauce, soy sauce 60 ml or quarter cup, mirin quarter cup, sugar you need 2.5 tablespoons, sake you need 1.5 tablespoons. Now we're gonna bring it to the boil with a medium heat. Turn on your stove, medium heat, bring it to a boil and stir occasionally. Make sure the sugar is dissolved. When it's boiling like this, just turn down your heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for 10 minutes. To prep the unagi or the eel, I'm going to divide this by 4. So first, right in the middle. Then just cut in the middle again. So now we have 4 pieces. Just prepare a baking tray with aluminum foil and then just spray lightly with oil. We're just gonna put it on a baking tray. And we're going to broil this in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 10 minutes of simmering, just turn off the heat. And we're gonna let it cool down. And the sauce will be thickened while it's cooling down. And we're gonna glaze it on top of the eel, the krill eel or unagi. Alright guys, so when the sauce start cooling down, as you can see, it became thick. Now my eel is already 5 minutes inside the oven, so we're gonna glaze it. So after 5 minutes, take it out from the oven and then glaze your eel. Be generous with the sauce. And then we're gonna put it back inside the oven for about 30 to 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds, take it out. And look at that, the eel, now it's ready. When everything is done, just apply the sauce to your rice. A little bit of garnish. And then just transfer your eel to your plate. And add more garnish. Now we're gonna bring it back up top and we're gonna give it a try. So this is the final product. Now let's give it a try. I'm gonna try the eel first. The sauce is very nice. It's a little bit salty, it's sweet, it's sticky. We're gonna give it a try with the rice. It's paired perfectly with rice, so yes, definitely unagi don is pretty much, the krill eel with rice. I do understand why you need rice on this case. It pretty much balances everything off. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Give it a try. It's really worth it. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.